Hello everyone, now let us discuss about summary of hormones produced by other organs and tissues that contain endocrine cells. Other than the endocrine glands, here we will be discussing the hormones that are produced by other organs and tissues that contain the endocrine cells. First of all, coming to gastrointestinal tract. The first hormone is gastrin. It promotes the secretion of gastric juice, increases the movements of the stomach. The next is glucose-dependent beta-insulinotropic peptide, GIP. It stimulates the release of insulin by pancreatic cells. The next is secretin. It stimulates the secretion of pancreatic juice and bile. The next is cholecystokinin, CCK, cholecystokinin. It stimulates the secretion of pancreatic juice, regulates release of bile from gallbladder, and causes feeling of fullness after eating. Now coming to hormones of placenta, the first hormone is human chorionic gonadotropin, which is HCG. It stimulates the corpus luteum in the ovary to continue production of estrogens and progesterone to maintain the pregnancy. The next are estrogens and progesterone. They maintain the pregnancy, help prepare mammary glands to secrete milk. The next is human chorionosomatomammotropin, HCS. It stimulates the development of mammary glands for lactation. Now coming to hormones of kidney, the first one is renin. It is a part of reaction sequence that raises blood pressure by bringing about vasoconstriction and secretion of aldosterone. The next is erythropoietin, EPO. It increases the rate of red blood cell formation. Erythropoietin increases the rate of red blood cell formation. The next is calcitrol, which is an active form of vitamin D. Calcitrol is an active form of vitamin D. It aids in the absorption of dietary calcium and phosphorus. The synthesis begins in the skin, continues in the liver, and ends in the kidneys. Synthesis of vitamin D begins in the skin, continues in the liver, and ends in the kidneys. Now coming to heart, the hormone is atrial natriuretic peptide ANP. It decreases the blood pressure. ANP decreases the blood pressure. The next is adipose tissue. The hormone is leptin. It suppresses the appetite, may increase the FSH and LH activity. Now let us discuss about the summary of hormones of ovaries and testes. Coming to ovarian hormones, the first one is estrogen and progesterone. Together with gonadotrophic hormones of anterior pituitary, they regulate the female reproductive cycle, maintain pregnancy, prepare mammary glands for lactation, and promote the development and maintenance of female secondary sex characteristics. The next hormone is relaxin, RLX. It increases the flexibility of pubic symphysis during pregnancy and helps dilate uterine cervix during labor and delivery. The next is inhibin. It inhibits the secretion of FSH from the anterior pituitary. Inhibin inhibits the secretion of follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, from the anterior pituitary. Now coming to testicular hormones, the first is testosterone. It stimulates the descent of testes before birth, regulates sperm production, promotes development and maintenance of male secondary sex characteristics. The next is inhibin. It inhibits the secretion of FSH from the anterior pituitary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on medical coding and CPC training.